Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make several different crochet stitches. We will begin making a chain where we will wrap the yarn around our fingers, take our hook under the front yarn, grab the second yarn and pull through, and then tighten that knot. This makes a slip knot on your hook and you are ready to begin working a chain. We take the yarn over our hook and then pull that through the loop. That makes one chain. We are going to be making 6 chains. When you look at your work, it should be making a V shape. Each V shape is one chain. So now we have made 6 chains. Now we are going to start making single crochets into those chains. We always begin working in the second chain from the hook. You will skip the chain that is closest to your hook. So we are going to go in and pull up one chain loop, yarn over our hook, and then pull that yarn back through the loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. We are going to yarn over again and then pull that through both loops on your hook. And that completes your first single crochet. We will have 5 chains to work into since we are working back along that chain of 6 that we did. We have 5 now because we skipped that chain that was closest to our hook. So we just keep repeating that process all the way until the end of the chain. Now that we have completed that, when we reach the end of the row, we are going to chain 1 and then turn our work and work back in the other direction. Again, we skip the chain stitch that we made before we turned. So we will now begin in the second stitch from the hook. When you look at the top of your work, you should see the V shape forming. We are now going to go under both of the V shape loops. So we put our hook through both of the loops, yarn over, pull that yarn back through both loops, yarn over, and then pull through both loops that are on our hook. And that completes that single crochet. We are going to keep working along the edge until we get 5 single crochet stitches. And now here at the end of that, we are going to finish off, which we just wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through, and we just pull it through all the way, and then you take your scissors and cut it and pull the extra yarn back out, and you will have a knot that you can tighten, and that's how you finish off your work. You usually leave a long yarn tail when you're doing the amigurumi style because it is used to sew the pieces together. So now we are going to be doing a half double crochet. This is used for when you want your stitches to be a little bit taller than a single crochet. So we begin with that slip knot and we will chain 6. Once we have that chain 6 done, we are going to begin in that second chain from the hook. Now to do a half double crochet, we are going to yarn over our hook before we go into the stitch. And then you go into the stitch, pull the yarn back through, yarn over your hook, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is how you make a half double crochet. I will continue making them until the end of the chain. Remember to yarn over on your hook before you insert your hook into the stitch. And now we have the single crochets and the half double crochets. You can see the difference in height between the two. And now we are going to make double crochets. So for the double crochets, I will go ahead and make the chain. For a double crochet, we are going to yarn over our hook first and then insert it into the stitch, yarn over again, and then we pull that through the first 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over your hook again and pull that through the remaining 2 loops. And that's how you make a double crochet. So for a triple crochet, we are going to yarn over our hook twice and then insert the hook into the stitch, pull the yarn through, yarn over your hook, and then pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through the final 2 loops. And that is how you complete a triple crochet. So we now have the swatch that is single crochet, half double crochets, double crochet, and triple crochet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.